All right, today we're gonna bring electrical foot grinder. Now, this one you're not gonna believe what I use it for. Not just for your feet and grinding it down where you can make it nice smooth areas, but I also find it very useful for what I do. I do 3D printing, and I like to use objects like this, devices just like this, because I always find different ways of actually taking advantage of some of the great tools I have. Now this one right here, if you guys can see, it's rechargeable. All right, it's a Type C. All right, so all you got to do is push the power button once, lights up. If you guys can see, speeds, different speeds you have, reverse, and then you go hold down the button. You can go faster by hitting the power button. Just turn it off, hold the power button, it turns off. Now, it tells you the battery life in here. On top of it, they give you a Type C to Type A connection. They give you all the attachments necessary that you're going to require, including the actual cap. So here's the attachments I was just talking about. Just put it in there. There's a dead end here. It just hits it. It won't go further than that. You could attach it to your actual tool. Simple. Just push it in there, and you could concentrate on certain areas. All right. So this is very awesome little device just for those kind of parts instead of using the larger discs, because the largest disc does not get into the certain areas of your feet. This gets pretty much everywhere. Now, if you guys notice, this is not Velcro. This is adhesive. This is tape. This is double-sided tape that goes on the system itself. So when you run it out completely, you're able to replace it. Now, like I said, you have an attachment here. All you got to do is sync it up in here, turn on the button, hold the button, and there it goes. Start spinning. It's different speeds. Power it on. Hit the power one more time. We're going to go to the fastest. If you guys can see it, I'm going to hit it the opposite way, and it's going to go the other way. All right. So that's another great thing that you have. It displays the actual battery life on the system, but this is going to last you for weeks. You got 80 grids in here, and simple. This makes a great gift for those that are, want to do pedicures, manicures, and pretty much a lot of things. Or if you're a 3D enthusiastic like I am, one of the great things that I forgot to mention is that they give you these rollers in here. So overall, this whole kit's included. It's going to last you the charge quite a while. I use it for multiple things, not just for my feet, but actually for 3D printing. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.